a small story. Its name is The Baby Bird. One day, Manu and Ammu were playing near their house. They saw something. Hey look, there is a little bird, Ammu said. Manu took and caged it. They placed the cage near the front window. Poor little bird cried aloud. The mother bird and the father bird heard the cry. They rushed to the cage, but they can't lift the cage. They flew away sadly. After some time, they came back with their friends. They together lift the cage and flew. On the way, they saw a rat hole below. The mother bird said, "Oh, my friend rat will help us." They flew down and placed the cage near the rat hole. One rat came out. The mother bird questioned the rat. "Please help my baby." The rat said, "Don't worry, I'll help you." The rat cut the cage with its sharp teeth. The little bird came out and flew